Hi, this is Amir and Joe. I'll be reviewing for you today the digital camcorder T450. It's not a bad camcorder. It's 16 megapixel, 10 times optical zoom with a 3-inch touchscreen LCD. And I've already connected the charger. It comes with a little strap here, like all cameras that you can strap your camcorder onto. There's an instruction manual and a product support paper. Here's another connector to our HDMI. You can connect to your PC or your TV. Here is the camera itself, also a case. Here's the record button, photo button. Here's a toggle button to zoom in and out. And here's the connector to plug in your cable for the HDMI and to charge. I'll show you how it is when it charges. When it charges, it will blink, then it will start flashing here to show that a connection is made. Then it should turn red. Let's see. There we go. That shows that it's charging. Now, I'll take it out. Can come on automatically, but I just have it set. So these buttons are your power button, your pause button, and your Wi-Fi button. And this is your touch screen. Let me take this off. The zoom features are not bad. And you can connect. I'm going to turn this off and on again. There we go. You can connect, take photos, connect Wi-Fi. Oh, here we go. Connect to your Android, your PC, and to iCloud. It's not that hard. You just gotta set your codes for Android, PC, or iCloud. Punch in your security passwords, and download the app for your Android or your Apple. And all in all, it's not a bad camera. The only thing is that it's only 10 times zoom, so you can't really shoot far pictures. But it is 1080p, 16 megapixel. For a lot of family photos, it is very good, and it is a Wi-Fi setup. Thank you.